Welcome to the Virginia Beer Museum in Front Royal, Virginia, the country's first beer museum to focus on a single state's history of beer. It has a welcoming porch. It has exhibit rooms of different eras of beer in Virginia and U.S. history, and its website, which is linked below, has an interactive map of beer museums of the world. They occasionally have live music and performers and a pretty sizable beer garden.
Local issue warned the American Brewers Review. Prohibition is now a national danger. The Anti-Saloon League pounced. The time is now.
The street that they're located on has one or two other non-related museums, so if you're going to have a museum day, you have to stop in and grab a beer from Helltown Saloon, which is inside, and it has numerous Virginia craft beers on tap. It was a good time, and the owner was incredible. See the link below and consider clicking the like button if you enjoyed exploring with us here at VR Virtual Studio.